Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you honest reviews of products that can make your life easier. Today we have an exciting gadget on our hands, the Peeps by CarbonKlean. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Peeps so special? According to the information we gathered, Peeps utilizes the latest aerospace carbon technology to clean your lenses without leaving any streaks. It's not just your ordinary eyeglass cleaner, it's NASA and SpaceX approved. Let's talk about some key features. The device works by producing ions that loosen dirt and grime, making it easy to wipe away. With its advanced carbon molecular technology, Peeps attracts dust and repels oil, ensuring a precise and anti-glare cleaning experience. But does it live up to the hype? According to the reviewer, Peeps scores high on build and design. It's compact, lightweight, and portable, perfect for cleaning your eyeglasses on the go. The device is also 100% recyclable, and 99% of its ingredients are natural, making it an eco-friendly choice. Now, here's where it gets personal. Our reviewer, who has been wearing glasses since childhood, shares their honest experience with Peeps. They received it as a gift and were pleasantly surprised by how crystal clear it cleaned their glasses. The user even ordered replacement pads, expressing satisfaction with the gadget. Like any product, Peeps has its pros and cons. On the positive side, it uses cutting-edge aerospace carbon technology, is lightweight, safe for all lens types, and even comes with NASA's approval. However, there were some issues with pads falling off, and you'll need to replace them after 500 uses. What sets Peeps apart? Its advanced carbon molecular technology, long-lasting cleaning pads, compatibility with all types of lenses, and the ability to work in all weather conditions make it stand out. Plus, it's an eco-friendly device with no expiration date. Now, if you decide to give Peeps a try, here are some pro tips for effective cleaning. Use a liquid cleaner for dirtier glasses, check the pad condition before cleaning, apply slight pressure for better results, and don't forget to brush your glasses first for optimal cleanliness. Cleaning your eyeglasses with Peeps is a breeze. Simply uncap the device to reveal the hidden brush and remove any dust or dirt. Slide out the Peeps case to access the molecular carbon pads, place your glasses in between, and clean both sides simultaneously. Easy, right? Now, you might be wondering, is Peeps eyeglass cleaner a scam? Rest assured, it's a real deal. The carbon cleaning technology used by NASA and SpaceX speaks volumes about its authenticity. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can make your purchase with confidence. Check description for buying link. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media, and please share this video with your friends. Until next time, clear vision and happy cleaning with Peeps.